kapag ano. Ang lapit naman nito. Dito ano eh, may nabalita dito na nagbarilan. Ba talaga pag ano, walang traffic, mag-travel? Ay, wait lang. Whoops, mali. Bobo. Ano ba yan? Sumayad pa yung gilid ko. Oh, schmucks. Sorry. Mas depende pa sa rotation kung iba-iba kultura eh, kapag ano. Ang lapit naman nito. Siyempre, kailangan pa rin natin ano, sundan ng traffic light rules kahit na wala masyadong tao. NCAP eh. No contact apprehension program. Wait, 16 minutes. Sige nga, tignan natin. Bilis 16 minutes.
Nung umuwi kami, hindi punuan ng bus. Galing sa Makati.
Red light camera
ahead. Sabi, Abinida. Pero, aywan, ang tagal nabot kami. Umalis yung bus niya sa Abinida, Alas 7. Dumating kami doon, na 3 meters.
Grabe naman, na-traffic sa ano? Cavite?
Hindi, sa Pangasinan. Pangasinan
Ay,
na umuwi.
akala ko Cavite. Okay.
Turn right on 140
Grabe pala.
President Quirino Avenue West.
Madaming umuwi siguro. Saan kayo na-traffic banda?
Hindi, nag-i-stasyon eh, dalawang
In
stasyon.
100 meters,
Pero,
use the
Mabagal
left
yung
3
bus.
lanes to continue on 140 President Quirino Avenue West.
Hindi
Red
naman
light
puno.
camera
Minsan
ahead.
nga puno mga bus.
wait lang, sorry. Meron na kaming tutut eh. Bumili na si Grammy.
Dala ko yun. Pili ko kay Bill. Ayaw mo nakalimutan ang tandalin.
Ay, hindi niya dala?
Sabi ko, dalhin niya, hindi niya dala.
Baka
Punta
ano
niya
din.
dala.
First time ko mag-celebrate ng New Year dito sa Manila.
Continue on 140 President Quirino Avenue
Nakaka...
West.
Nakakapanibago. Tsaka... sakripisyo.
Turn left on 120 Rojas Boulevard South.
Kaya ano... feeling.
In 500 meters, use the left 4 lanes to continue on 120 Rojas Boulevard South.
Okay.
Seven ata sarado na ang probinsya.
Buti ano...
Mga ganun sa...
mabait sila.
Nagbukas. Tapos na yung bukas.
Continue on 120 Rojas Boulevard South.
Sabi pa rin sa sakyan. Uwi.
Iba, taga dito talaga eh. Pero, kung tutusin, konti na to eh.
Last year ata yung New Year, pumunta kami sa Muwan downtown.
Use the right 2 lanes to exit right to Rojas
Parang
Boulevard Service Road to
Imbis na nasa bahay, nasa mall.
In 600 meters, turn right on Hill Puyat Avenue, West.
Madami
Then
ng,
use the right
ano,
2 lanes to continue on
nagmamall.
Hill Puyat Avenue, West.
Ikot lang naman ang mga yan.
Turn right. Then use the right 2 lanes to continue on Hill Puyat Avenue, West.
Dito ano eh, may nabalita dito na nagbarilan yung ano, mga Chinese national, tas may mga kotse.
Use the right 2 lanes to continue on Hill
Di,
Puyat Avenue,
parang ano
West.
eh, yung gang nila eh. Nung na-news, nakita ko na parang familiar tong yung daan.
Use the right lane to continue on Hill Puyat Avenue.
Continue straight? Okay. Sige, straight tayo.
Continue on Hill Puyat Avenue. In 300 meters, turn left on Jose W. Diokno Boulevard South.
Basta the high beam. Anong gusto niya nga, no?
Turn left on Jose W. Diokno Boulevard South.
Wow, holy schmucks. Ang bilis na. Ba talaga pag ano, walang traffic,
In
mag-travel?
900 meters, turn right on Seaside Boulevard West. Then turn left on Harbor Drive.
Parang... Paano ko sila susunduin?
Mas bata sila.
Doon na sila mag-celebrate. Ako, mag-prepare para bukas. Kung gusto mo manang, dyan ka na rin matulog kung
In
pwede.
500 meters,
Please,
use the right lane to turn
tulungan mo
right.
sila. Or ano,
Then turn left on Harbor
pwede
Drive.
kayong kung ano man yung ano, celebration nila dyan.
Sinong kasama? Si Grammy lang yata.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi pumunta sila. Okay.
Hindi, may ano, sariling party. Kumbaga, binok na lang ni Ken. Tapos, si Tin na lang yung ano.
No, alam mo
Sasama.
sabi niyo bukas.
Hindi ka ba dyan matutulog?
Si... Wala daw kayong kasama.
Okay lang. Mag-order na ako ng ano. Para sa... Ano ba to? Gusto niya. Left or right? O diretso? Okay lang. Mag-order na lang ako tapos yun na yung kainin ko pang ano, breakfast. I don't get it. I guess gusto niyang mag-right turn yung mga mag-right turn. Peep peep.
Turn right on Seaside Boulevard West. Then turn
Ano ba?
left on Harbor Drive.
Kanina gusto niya mag-right, ngayon nasa middle lane. What's up, boy? Let's go. Let's go to the other side. Hindi. Doon pa tayo sa pangalawang kanto.
Hindi na lang ako. Nakasimba ng bus.
Ano? Hindi ka pa naka...
Hindi na ako nakasimba ng bus.
Ah. Lanson Place. Saan yung right turn? Okay. Oh, weird. Bakit ano? Hindi na pinapakita yung drop off area. Saan? Diretso lang. Tapos kadulo kanan. Sige. Ang daming nagpa-park. Dati dyan ako nag-park eh. Dami pa rin nagpa-park. Ay, kala ko may hump. Oops. All the way down, I saw you. Stop. Oh, di ba? Ang bilis. Hindi na kailangan magmadali. Pag walang traffic. Haha.
Para na bukas.
Ano pa eh. January 5 pa yung mga ibang ano eh. Office. Asan yung... Hala, asan yung Lanson? Hindi na pinapakita sa akin. Ano ba yun? Lanson.
All set. Let's go.
Okay. Ay, bakit? Hindi parking. Ano ba yan?
Lanson Place.
Shucks. Ano ba yan? Okay, alam ko na kung paano. Sa kabila. Pero di tayo dito sa parking. Wait lang. Hindi dito sa parking. Shit, bawal dito mag-left. Ay, bawal dito mag... I guess tansyahan lang. lang. Naligaw ako ni Waze. Wait. Ano yun? Ay, aeroplano. Ay, wait lang. Whoops, mali. Bobo. Wait lang, mali.
One way.
Kabilang side yung way. Ano ba yan? Nagkamali ako, putik. Oop. Nagkamali ako. Andun. Ngayon, kasi iba yung lugar na dapat na ano pupuntahan ko eh. Nandito na naman tayo eh. Mali na naman eh. Paano ba? Kasi nasa kaliwa eh. Pwede ba akong mag-U-turn doon?
Andiyan ka pala sa baba.
All set. Let's go.
Sasakay
Ay,
ka.
dito sa likod.
Lilipat ako.
Hindi na, dyan yan. Yan. Para mabilisan lang. Hi, Grammy! Hi, Ma! Celebrating New Year.
Happy.
Intellectual artist.
Hi, babe. What were you doing? Why did you take so long?
It's just there in the lobby and corner there. Yeah.
So,
Not happy here.
nope, nawala. Naligaw dahil mali yung basta naligaw. The very bad decision making when it comes to the
Medical
things.
City put up in Fisher Mall din, di ba? Medical City, parang they put up there in Fisher Mall. But the hospital mismo is the one here in Meralco. Is that the one?
Yep.
Yeah. That's the
They have a lot of satellite
Yeah,
clinics.
that one pala, satellite clinic or something. But the main hospital, where they accept the interns, is the one there. It's a nice interior. Maybe we go there. I forgot. We had some checkup there. Yeah, I entered that hospital. Small tests.
Side yung seaside. Ito yung coral. Ay,
Millie? Nasa Coral Way?
oh.
Iba lang yung... Wait, bakit ang weird? Is it turn right anytime we care? Naka-red eh. Sinundan ko lang yung emergency... yung isang kotse tapos emergency response. Even though naka-red eh. My bad.
Kaya
I think it's a morning mass, 10:30. Parang that's too early if we're having a good breakfast. I like spending all the time in breakfast. but that
10 lang
means
naman ang breakfast.
11. And then I do downtime in the room.
Or they have a
I thought we were
Yeah,
gonna be in the
because
the
I don't like that it's cut short just to go to mass. There's a mass in the afternoon. I think after breakfast, I like downtime of 1 hour, rest in the room, and then go out again. There's no noon mass. That's weird. It's a big chapel. There should be noon mass. That's where people usually go. I mean, the late risers.
Laki na.
Nadaanan namin yung Malante may
Laki
misa.
ng jeep.
But there's no parish along this strip. There's no church. I mean,
Yan yung pinakamalapit.
yeah, that's why.
Klaran.
So nobody put up a church in this subdivision.
Saan kayo magcha-church?
It's
Dun
just
sa
for shopping and hotel stay. They didn't think of people who go to
Yung...
for Catholic
Shrine of
Church.
Jesus, way truth.
Yeah.
Dito lang sa Coral Way.
Meron nga.
Yun yung church.
Yun yung ano eh. Dati nating pinagpipilian.
When we went on my birthday that Sunday,
Ito.
we went inside the festival mall. Ay, Ayala Malls. It's a makeshift. Well, not like a bit like a chapel. Just plastic chairs and the priest didn't even say one sermon. So yung mga ganyan na hindi officially a chapel, like landmark.
Ayan.
It's 2 years anniversary now.
Yung church?
Oo.
Oh, yan daw yung church.
There?
Ito.
Here outside?
Ito, malaki.
This the one now?
Pupunta natin bukas.
There's midnight mass. I guess the midnight anticipated home
You said
midnight
the
mass
bus,
in
Daddy?
St. Paul. It's 8 o'clock. There's 6.
Yeah, I did.
7:30 yung
Yeah, and we're going out.
Good job, my boy.
But in St. Paul's, they had a lot of PM masses for Saturday. And sorry, for Eve of for 31st in St. Paul's. I saw like 6, 8, and 10 p.m. So they have like 3 masses for the. I guess the midnight mass is 10 p.m.
Nandito yung Millie's. Nakikita ko lang ano.
So, ano siya loob ng hotel eh. Yung window.
Ah, okay. Baka ano. Problem. Sana hindi naman puno. Pero if anyway, if puno, baba na muna kayo.
Did you watch
Oo.
the movie The
Michael
Intern?
Talented.
Robert De Niro? He reminds me of Dad. His, how the way he looks, his look, and in that movie it showed how he's old enough but was accepted, and
Michael
he had to relearn, stumbling here and there. Fun, it's nice. I like that movie.
Ah, yun. Yun yung
Ba si ano yun?
Pero,
Hathaway ba yan? No?
Hmm.
Yeah,
ang Michael Tell mismo?
it's memorable.
Oh,
Yeah, Robert De Niro really goes down. Although he fathered a child like Albert,
Please stop.
90 plus.
Why did we go here
It's
instead?
the age of death actually in 1920
Let's go.
Still alive.
May ticket ba? Or, ticket? Or,
Ticket po.
ano, Millie's?
Oh, I thought we were going to
Parking lot.
If
Yung ano nga
parking
lang.
is free if we eat inside,
There's no parking space.
no parking is free tonight.
No parking
Always.
space
Or
here.
pay. Yeah,
Hey,
kanina,
there's a lamppost.
sila Edgy, they had to give 200 under the book of that,
Ganda mo lang dito.
under the book of that patrolman.
Baba yung window.
Mommy.
Hindi, baba na kayo. Baba na kayo.
Antayin nyo na lang kami dito sa lab.
Hindi, mother. Sige, samahan na lang. Pwede naman kayo. Kasi baka dyan ako sa may parking spot na building.
Will you stay here now? Or you want- May parking pa po bang iba dito?
I was very pissed.
Thank you.
Sa building nga.
Antayin nyo lang kami. Diba? Antayin nyo lang kami.
Malayo pa yung lalakarin.
Okay lang tayo. Tain.
Ano ba yan? Bakit amoy? Ugh. Smoke. Yan yun eh. Alam ko na eh. Ibig sabihin wala talagang parking kasi ubos na dito. Kaya pala hindi na nagtataka, wala nang card or something. Kasi walang parking. Oh well. The problem is, what is this? Kasya ba ako? Sorry, can I car entry? Shucks. Okay. Dapat doon na lang.
Diretso parking, sir. Second.
I'll have to cut that out. You cannot show your schmuckings.
I even help you make how many
Bakit nangyari?
say like
Nagkaroon ba kayo ng second floor parking, second floor payment.
Other stuff is the budget. And then it's all because of
I'm just saying that it's I don't know it's like
this
story. No, I have to
but you didn't use it.
Why is he going up?
It's not for like twisted. Yeah, just like twist what's
Ang dami pa rin tao What? Like,
ito mag-overnight party.
I'm not sure. Maybe they're celebrating too. I mean, maraming restaurants dito, but I'm not sure why there are a lot of.
maybe they're gonna have a spend.
Have a what?
Have a spend.
Have a spend?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Have a spend at night.
Have a stay.
Yeah, no hotel.
Bring parking card with you. Shucks. Wala na. Oh, hello. Pwede dito. You know what? Fuck this. Dito na lang. Ay, wait lang. Unless there is a better parking area. Nope. Di pwede dyan. Doon the other side. Let's go to the other side.
I saw a good parking.
Yeah. Oh, just park here. Because, there's a Mumu kid dyan.
Yeah.
Ano ba yan? Sumayad pa yung gilid ko. Oh, schmucks. Sorry. Sumayad. Ano ba yan? Sabog na ba ako? Grabe.
It's
What?
like the one in the video we watched before. With the truck. The gray truck.
What do you
It's
mean?
like you this time.
What? What the Greek truck?
The one with the Messiah there and it parked.
Ah, yeah.
It's like you, but you didn't park.
Wait. Holy schmucks. Gusto mag-park sa mga pillar kasi at least hindi napoproblemahin dun sa pillar side.
You have to
Paano muna kaya? Baka hindi kayo kasya. Okay, let's go.